Hello everyone, welcome back to Factorio. Today we're just we're gonna start getting the rest of these set up. So we need four of these. I'm gonna try this copy and paste thing. Which, is that how this works? Yeah, we're gonna try this copy and paste thing. To see if we can just... Oh yeah, look at that. So we're gonna need four of these. And that way we can actually see what's in its way. Can't build on water. Oh. Oh. That little tiny bit of water. Really? So I think if we hold shift... Okay, there we go. And then that'll be all those. So now let's try the same thing for down here. Which this is... No, it's just... You just stop. Alright. So this is actually really freaking... I love this feature right here that they just implemented. So I'm going to need four of these. 2, 3, and 4. So that's how big our... Yeah, that's how big our smelting factory is going to be. It's actually gigantic. Alright, so now let's start getting... Let's get rid of all this junk. So now what we want to do is start getting... What do we want to do? Alright. Let's just run this out. So right about there seems good. Two, 3, 4. Now we always got to leave a gap of 2. 4 of these will be for the iron and 4 for the copper. And from there we can start getting everything set up to actually move. Alright, so we want to bring this one back here like so, just to keep it all nice and clean. And there we go. And then now from there, oh, there's not 4 of them there. We'll do another 4 right here. For random objects. And then another 4 right here. Oh no, we're out of belts. Then we can start getting a more permanent science factory going on. More permanent. A better one than this that we're not going to have to keep messing with. And we'll have get producing the green as well. And the circuits, of course. I think we'll do the circuits first. Yes, the circuits will go first. And I think this should be all we need. But just in case, we won't build anything till right here is where we'll build stuff at, just in case we need to add an extra 4. Yeah. Yeah, if we add an extra 4, that'll work like that pretty damn good. Alright, so now we're going to need a bunch of these. A bunch of those. A biggity bunch. Bunches and bunches and bunches. Honey bunches of oats. Do we have any? Oh, really? Seriously? Well, we'll start filling this in as much as possible right now as well. Let that produce some more. Alright. Now the thing about this thing, I think its proper term is the belt array. So what we're going to do is run it down in here, and anything we just need, we're just going to snatch off the belt and run it to the factory needs be. Now the most we need is iron and copper, so that's why these two are going to be 4 full belts. The rest will probably just be 2 of them for green circuits, stone, and or bricks or whatever. I can't remember exactly what we need. Just random things like this. This will probably be the circuit belt, red circuits and green circuits. We're still quite a bit of ways from the green circuits though. Maybe we'll make the second one the circuits belt. So that way we can just, yeah. Well, let's see. Maybe we should just, well, no. So what do we need to, so we need to get our research going again. So first thing we're going to need is the belts. So of course we want this 2 away. And we'll start it right here. One. So these are the circuits I'm doing now. I believe that this might be almost the fastest way to do this. We definitely need more iron. Alright, so I believe this might be the fastest way, I'm not sure. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run the iron, or the copper, back here, all the way up. So let's just get that going right now. That's going to be a while, I bet. And out here, Huh. What are we going to do here? So let's see. Right here will be the output. Yeah, right here will be the output. For the circuits. That'll be the output for the circuit. So in between, I got it right here is going to be the iron. And of course we are going to need those things. There we go. Which also means that we could bring the iron out to here. And then now we're going to run this belt down the center. Like I said, that's the export spot. No, just grab the tree, would you? And then we're gonna need one. I don't know if it's gonna. It might be better just do two down like this. Maybe. And then we could just put a splitter directly afterwards. Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll just put a splitter directly afterwards. And that should keep the belt tightened up. Alright, now we don't need all that. We only need enough to put it on. And then once again, another copper back here. We don't even need running all the way up yet unless we add to it. Now we could add quite a bit to this, but right here, this will be good to start out with. This should be enough. Alright, now let's start getting these things going here. So we're going to put these down low, just in case we decide to add another one to it. Same thing with there. Alright, now that should be good. Now these back here will be the copper cables. Oh yeah, well, now what did I need? Oh, I can't make any of that, can I? There we go. Now we got those getting made. So now we can start running. This up to here like so. This is why we spaced it like this, just so, because see, you can't go any further. And there we go, that'll be all the, let's see if every one of these is getting power or not. Yeah, so they're the copper cables, which means that these are the green circuits. Alright, now, if we could just get the iron. To this area right here. Now it'll start making circuits. And like I said, on these, after every one of these, well, if facing the right way, we'll do that. We will do that, and that'll keep, once this is going, that should get a good amount of circuits going. These factories are really slow right now, so I don't think we have to worry too much about the input. We shouldn't have to. Alright, now for the output. And now for the power. There's really no neat way of doing it with these poles. No neat way at all. And now once we get this iron going on this side. Oh, did I make a mistake here? Nope, I did not. So once we get the iron going over here, yikes. Yikes. We might just have to, if I would have just spaced those out one more, is that going to grab off that belt? No, it's not. Okay, we're good. Let's just lay all these down so we can get it all the way up to the top. And now to bring this over. We might as well just bring this one over too. could run this up to where it needs to go. And voila. There we go. Now that should work out. There we go. Yeah, see, now that should fill the belt. And of course, we can always just add more to it. That we can. And once we add more to it, it'll be, yeah, we'll start producing more. Now let's get these guys. What do we need more? Let's get these guys down to where they need to go, which is these belts right here. Right here. And get them down onto these two belts. It's right there like that. Okay, so for this one, we're just going to run whatever one over top of it so that we can actually... How far can we go? We can only go to right there. Now we'll be back on track. So we're just going to do this. It's a little bit of a mess, but it is what it is, and we got it there. Now this one, on the other hand, this one, on the other hand, I don't. Alright, there we go. Now we'll just tunnel under these guys. I don't like to do that, but that seems to be about the only way that that's going to work out right now. Maybe I should have put a a gap of 4 in between there. I don't know. I think that'll work. Guess we'll find out. If it gets to be too much of a pain, we can just change it. Alright, now how do we get this? First off, we need to do that. Now see, we're not going to need any of this before that, so... yeah, that should be good right there, actually. I don't know how efficient this is actually going to be, but we're going to do it anyway. I guess we don't even really, we could just do that. And that should keep it tight. Because once again, these things, yeah, let's just try that. We'll give that a go first. That way, no matter what. Yeah, see, yeah, it's taken from both belts. It should be good enough. If not, we'll do some tweaking to it and get it just right. So now we could run. We can run these down here. And well, yeah, that'll be the end of this episode. We got the circuit factory going, a small one, but it'll do what we need it to do. hopefully it'll do what we need it to do. We don't need it to do much. And yeah, started getting the belt array set up. It's gonna be, yeah, I think it's gonna be great. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.